prepare to be entertained. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Freeme TV is here again with the freshest music and entertainment gist as E-Day Hot. Today we're going to be talking about the Yemi Alade versus Tiwa Savage hot topic that seems to be blowing up the internet and social media. In a recent interview with Missy of Hot FM, Mama Africa, as she is popularly called, is quoted as saying,
"Truth is there is no number one, because your top 5 artists in Nigeria that are the biggest in Africa can shut down the exact same capacity. The same capacity Wizkid holds down in Africa, I hold it down. Same capacity Davido holds down in Africa, I hold it down. Same venues, we all shut it down."
However, the interviewer, perhaps in a bid to clarify Yemi's response, stated that she thinks that Yemi Alade is a better singer than Tiwa Savage.
Personally speaking, I've heard Tiwa in public. I heard her just a couple of weeks ago, and she shouts.
Yemi Alade also added that, quote, "There is no number one, and that is the truth."
But you see, that's the truth, but not everybody will agree to that. People will like, Yemi, shut up, wait till they talk. No, you're not number one, shall. Why don't we just go ask the promoters, the people who know the numbers?
Well, this is the third of events that seem to have spurred a Tiwa Savage versus Yemi Alade debate that has the internet ablaze and many people giving their responses. We believe that both are superstars in their own rights, but you'll be the judge in this matter. Who is the better singer, Tiwa Savage or Yemi Alade? Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe.
You be Rambo.